If Lightroom has suddenly stopped working, crashing on launch, or freezing while you try to edit, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes, step by step, so you can get Lightroom working again without wasting time. This is especially helpful if Lightroom opens and then closes, stops responding, or keeps crashing every time you use it. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fix videos. Let's get started. First, do this simple but important basics. Restart your computer completely, because a fresh restart can clear temporary bugs that cause Lightroom to fail. After that, close any heavy background apps you don't need, especially Chrome with lots of tabs, games, or other editing software. Lightroom needs system resources, and too many apps running at once can cause crashes or the stopped working error. Now for the most effective fix, disable the graphics processor. Open Lightroom, then go to Edit, then Preferences, and open the Performance tab. Find the option that says Use Graphics Processor and turn it off. This is one of the most common solutions when Lightroom is crashing on launch or during editing. After turning it off, close Lightroom completely and reopen it to test if the problem is gone. If Lightroom still isn't working, the next step is to reset the preferences. To do this, hold Alt and Shift while opening Lightroom. Keep holding both keys until the reset prompt appears. Then click Reset Preferences. This can fix corrupted settings that may be causing Lightroom to stop working unexpectedly. Once it resets, launch Lightroom again and check whether it opens normally. Next, make sure Lightroom itself is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and look for any available updates for Lightroom. Outdated versions can easily cause stability issues, crashes, and startup problems. Install the update, then restart Lightroom and test it again. You should also update your graphics drivers. Go to the website for your graphics card manufacturer, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest driver for your device. Old or broken drivers are a major cause of Lightroom errors, especially if the app crashes when loading images or switching between modules. If the issue continues, go back into Lightroom Preferences and clear the cache. In the Performance section, use the Purge Cache option if it's available. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause Lightroom to behave badly. Clearing it gives the app a clean slate and can remove hidden performance problems. And if none of those fixes work, the last step is to reinstall Lightroom. First, uninstall it from your computer, then open Adobe Creative Cloud and install it again fresh. A clean reinstall can fix damaged program files that are causing the stopped working error. So to recap, the best order is restart your PC, close background apps, disable the graphics processor, reset preferences, update Lightroom, update your graphics drivers, clear the cache, and reinstall if needed. Follow these steps one by one, and in most cases, Lightroom will be back up and running. If this video helped you fix Lightroom, please like the video and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.